So I had a little problem with my sunless tanner. Didn't want to come on here, but I'm doing it anyway. Don't mind my face. So today I'm just going to show you my product. So this is my product. I have some samples here. So this is our best day ever bag. This one you can see is a reject because this is a little bit diagonal and there's some wrinkles here. This one is a good one. This is one of our most popular baby shower bags. Okay, this one is a reject because of the ripped top. So when I print these and then I have to look at each one and check them. Mainly for if they're crooked, if there's wrinkles, if there's any defects with the bag. Here's one that is pretty good. I mean, there's a tiny wrinkle right there, but I don't think someone would mind that. These are very cute. This is going out. This is for an order today. That's going to go out. Here's another one. This is for a nautical wedding. I think they're doing like a sailing bachelorette party. I have my little assistant here. This is Tegan. Don't mind our mess. I didn't clean up for this. This is our perfect blend bag. This is another one of our most popular, and this would be a reject because there's a wrinkle going right through it. And here's an example of a crooked one. So there can be a lot of rejects. I just grabbed a bunch out of my office because I'm trying to switch over laptops to have one without a broken screen. And I can't get my printers to hook up to this new laptop. So, and then this one's also very popular. Doggy bag. From our pup to yours. And then these are the white bags. So I haven't printed on these yet. So I have nothing to report. Mainly because I haven't created a listing yet. I need to get a listing up and then hopefully get an order for those. Tegan, what do you have to say for the video? Anything?
No.
Are you on YouTube right now?
No.
What are you doing?
Playing a game.
Oh, you're playing a game. Do you want to tell the people anything?
No.
I thought you wanted to be like an exciting part to our video.
No.
Oh, okay, so there you have it. That's my product. What do you think? After this first week, after you know me and what I do and all that, then maybe I'll get more into the techie stuff. I don't know. You guys tell me. Comment below and let me know what you want to see. I can't take myself seriously. Oh my gosh. Do you want to know what it is? Hold on, let me It's these drops. These drops. I feel like they're all over the internet. And I guess I put one too many in my lotion. I did like 2 in a lotion that might have already had a drop or 2 in it. So yeah, I'm extra tan. So comment below, or I'm going to list all my shop and information, where to find me, all that jazz, and the woman that taught me everything. Her formula to make an awesome handmade business. Tegan? What happened?
My feet hurts.
What'd you do?
I was doing this.
Show the people. Oh, my Lanta. I'm in my studio now, setting up that video. And I wanted to just tell you one thing. I actually am running a sale in my Etsy shop today for 15% off. So if you want to get in on that, you can go check out my shop. I'll link it below. Look at Tegan has a baby, naked. Bye guys.